the most brilliant camping inventions of the modern era. Camping has always been about escaping the ordinary, getting closer to nature, and experiencing the world from a completely different perspective. But while the wilderness itself hasn't changed much, the equipment we use to explore it certainly has. Over the last few decades, inventors, engineers, and outdoor enthusiasts have transformed camping gear into a fascinating combination of smart design, lightweight materials, portable technology, and practical innovation. Revolutionary camping shelters. One of the greatest challenges in camping has always been finding a reliable way to create shelter quickly and efficiently. Traditional tents have come a long way, but modern shelter inventions have pushed the concept even further. Today's tents can be remarkably lightweight, weather-resistant, spacious, and surprisingly easy to assemble. One of the most impressive developments is the quick setup tent, designed to reduce the amount of time campers spend struggling with poles, clips, and complicated instructions. Some systems use flexible frames or pre-attached structures that allow the shelter to take shape in a matter of minutes. This can be especially valuable when arriving at camp late in the day, when rain is approaching, or when you're simply exhausted after a long hike. Another fascinating innovation is the inflatable tent. Instead of relying entirely on rigid poles, certain designs use inflatable structural tubes that become firm when filled with air. When packed away, these systems can occupy surprisingly little space compared with their assembled size. They can also create spacious interiors that feel more like temporary rooms than traditional backpacking shelters. But innovation doesn't stop with the tent itself. Modern shelter systems increasingly focus on ventilation, temperature management, insect protection, and organization. Mesh panels can allow airflow while helping keep unwanted insects outside. Multiple doors can improve accessibility and ventilation, while vestibules provide valuable covered space for muddy footwear, backpacks, and other equipment. Some tents incorporate built-in storage pockets and attachment points, allowing campers to organize small items without filling the floor. Then there are rooftop tents. Today's campers have access to structures that are lighter, stronger, more adaptable, and easier to use than ever before. The best designs don't simply protect you from the elements, they create a comfortable, organized base from which you can explore the world outside. And when you're standing in the wilderness with rain beginning to fall, being able to create dependable shelter quickly isn't just convenient, it can completely change the experience of the entire trip. Smart sleeping and comfort inventions. After shelter, one of the biggest factors that determines whether a camping trip feels amazing or exhausting is sleep. Anyone who has spent a night on hard, cold, uneven ground knows that a beautiful campsite doesn't automatically guarantee a comfortable night. Fortunately, modern camping inventions have transformed sleeping equipment into a fascinating field of lightweight engineering. One of the most important innovations is the modern sleeping pad. Traditional foam mats provided basic cushioning, but today's inflatable and insulated sleeping pads can combine comfort, compactness, and protection from the cold ground. When deflated, many can shrink dramatically, making them easier to transport. When inflated, they can create a surprisingly comfortable sleeping surface while providing an insulating barrier between the camper and the ground. This insulation is particularly important because sleeping comfort isn't only about softness. Maintaining body warmth is equally critical in colder environments. Sleeping bags have also evolved considerably. Modern designs use advanced insulation materials and carefully engineered shapes to provide warmth without requiring enormous amounts of space. Some systems allow different layers to be combined depending on the temperature, giving campers greater flexibility. There are also sleeping bags designed specifically for different body shapes and sleeping positions, helping improve comfort while reducing unnecessary weight. Then there are inflatable camping pillows. At first glance, they may seem like a luxury, but a good pillow can make a surprisingly significant difference to sleep quality. Many models pack down to almost nothing while providing adjustable firmness and better neck support than folded clothing. Camping blankets have also become increasingly versatile. Some are designed to provide additional insulation inside a sleeping system, while others can be used Around camp as lightweight blankets or emergency layers. For cold weather camping, rechargeable. Heated accessories can add another layer of comfort, although campers should always follow manufacturer instructions and use battery-powered equipment appropriately. Even camp furniture has become more innovative. Design. The greatest inventions aren't always dramatic. Sometimes they're simple solutions that remove small frustrations from everyday camping. By combining insulation, cushioning, lightweight materials, smart storage, and compact furniture, modern sleeping systems allow campers to rest more comfortably without carrying a mountain of equipment. And after hiking all day, there may be no invention more valuable than waking up refreshed and ready for another adventure. Next generation camping cooking and water systems. Few things feel better after a long day outdoors than sitting beside camp and enjoying a hot meal, but preparing that meal in the wilderness has historically required a surprising amount of equipment. Modern camping cooking inventions have changed that equation by combining efficiency, portability, and clever engineering. Compact backpacking stoves are a perfect example. Instead of carrying a bulky kitchen setup, campers can use small cooking systems designed to boil water or prepare simple meals while taking up minimal space. Some integrated systems allow cookware and stove components to nest together, creating a compact package that can fit neatly inside a backpack. This approach doesn't just save space, it also reduces the number of individual components that have to be managed. Coffee lovers have their own collection of outdoor inventions. Portable brewing systems can deliver surprisingly good coffee without requiring a traditional machine. Lightweight presses, pour-over systems, and compact brewing devices can make the morning ritual feel much closer to home, even when you're surrounded by mountains or forests. Cooking utensils have also received the minimalist treatment. Foldable spoons, compact spatulas, nesting cookware, lightweight cutting boards, and multifunction tools allow campers to prepare food without carrying an entire kitchen. Then comes one of the most important resources of all, water. Carrying enough water for a long trip can become extremely heavy, which is why portable filtration and purification technology has become so important. Depending on the specific technology, portable systems may use filtration, chemical treatment, ultraviolet technology, or combinations of methods. Different systems are designed for different types of contaminants, so understanding the manufacturer specifications is essential. Some filtration systems are integrated into bottles, allowing users to collect and treat water in a single compact container. Others use pumps, hoses, or gravity-fed bags to process larger quantities. They don't eliminate the adventure, they make it more manageable. With the right equipment, a small campsite can become an efficient outdoor kitchen capable of producing everything from a simple hot drink to a satisfying dinner. And after spending hours hiking through the wilderness, there's something incredibly rewarding about sitting beside your tent, watching the sunset, and enjoying a warm meal made with equipment small enough to fit inside your backpack. Portable power, lighting, and outdoor technology. For much of camping history, going outdoors meant leaving modern electricity behind. Today, however, portable energy technology has changed what is possible at a campsite. One of the most useful inventions is the portable power station. These battery systems range from tiny units designed to recharge phones and small electronics to larger systems capable of powering several compatible devices. For campers traveling by vehicle, a larger power station can provide energy for lighting, cameras, communication equipment, and other electronics without requiring access to a traditional electrical outlet. Smaller power banks are particularly useful for backpackers who need to keep essential devices operating while minimizing weight. Solar charging technology adds another fascinating dimension. Portable solar panels can fold or roll into compact formats, allowing campers to collect energy from sunlight during the day. Solar power is naturally dependent on weather, sunlight intensity, panel positioning, and the equipment being used, so it should be viewed as a useful supplemental energy source rather than an unlimited supply. Still, the ability to recharge compatible batteries while traveling through remote areas represents a remarkable change from traditional camping. Lighting has undergone a similar transformation. The basic flashlight remains useful, but modern campers can choose from powerful headlamps, rechargeable lanterns, compact area lights, motion-sensitive lights, and emergency lighting systems. Headlamps are particularly valuable because they keep your hands free while setting up camp, cooking, walking, or organizing gear. Some include different brightness settings and red light modes that can be useful in nighttime environments. Modern lanterns can illuminate an entire tent or campsite while remaining small enough to pack away easily. Some can operate for extended periods on rechargeable batteries, while others offer multiple lighting modes. Navigation technology has also become increasingly sophisticated. GPS devices and offline navigation tools can help campers understand their position and plan routes, while traditional compasses remain valuable because they don't depend on batteries or electronic signals. In remote environments, certain communication devices can provide specialized emergency capabilities, but campers should understand how those devices work and never assume that a gadget automatically guarantees communication everywhere. This is an important lesson about modern outdoor technology. Advanced equipment is powerful, but knowledge remains essential. Batteries can run out, so it's to create equipment that is lightweight, efficient, dependable, and useful when it matters most. Whether you're capturing sunrise photographs, navigating a trail after sunset, charging a communication device, or simply illuminating your tent, modern portable technology can make remote adventures significantly easier. The wilderness may still be wild, but today's campers have some incredibly clever tools at their disposal. Ingenious multifunctional and survival gadgets. Perhaps the most brilliant camping inventions are the ones that perform multiple jobs while taking up almost no space. Every camper eventually discovers the same problem. There's always more equipment you want to bring than space available to carry it. Multifunctional design solves this problem by combining several useful capabilities into a single compact object. Multitools are one of the best known examples. Instead of carrying separate tools for different tasks, a well-designed multitool can provide several functions in a compact package. The exact features vary by model, but the basic philosophy remains the same: maximize usefulness while minimizing bulk. Another category is multifunctional camping cookware. Some sets are designed so that pots, cups, utensils, and other components fit inside one another. When packed, the entire cooking system can occupy a surprisingly small amount of space. Once unpacked, it becomes a complete miniature kitchen. This kind of nesting design is brilliant because empty space inside one object becomes storage space for another. Clothing and storage systems have received similar treatment. Compression bags can reduce the volume of soft gear, while waterproof bags protect clothing, sleeping equipment, electronics, and other important items from rain and moisture. Some backpacks also feature modular attachment systems that allow campers to customize how equipment is carried. This means the same backpack can potentially be configured differently for different types of adventures. Weather protection has inspired plenty of clever inventions as well. Compact rain covers can protect backpacks during storms, while lightweight tarps can create additional shade or shelter when properly configured. Portable awnings can transform the side of a vehicle into a shaded outdoor living area, creating a surprisingly comfortable campsite without requiring a large permanent structure. Hygiene has also become easier with portable outdoor showers and washing systems. These devices can provide a convenient way to rinse off after hiking, clean muddy equipment, or wash dishes. When a traditional water connection isn't available, that's a sign of great design. And as materials continue to become lighter and stronger, and as manufacturers develop better ways to combine functions, the future could bring even more impressive equipment. We may see camping systems that become increasingly modular, adaptable, energy efficient, and personalized. But even with all this technology, the core principle remains unchanged. Good camping gear should help you spend more time enjoying the outdoors and less time worrying about your equipment. The future of camping. Looking at the incredible evolution of camping equipment, it's fascinating to imagine what outdoor adventures might look like in the future. The inventions we have today already combine lightweight materials, advanced insulation, portable energy, smart organization, water treatment, navigation, and multifunctional design in ways that previous generations could hardly have imagined. But innovation is unlikely to stop here. Future camping equipment may become even lighter, more durable, more energy efficient, and more adaptable to different environments. Materials could continue evolving, allowing manufacturers to create shelters and equipment that provide impressive strength without adding unnecessary weight. Portable energy systems may become increasingly efficient, giving campers more options for staying powered during longer adventures. Smart technology could also become more integrated into outdoor equipment, potentially helping users monitor environmental conditions, equipment performance, and energy consumption. However, the most exciting future may not be about adding more screens or electronics. It could be about making camping equipment so efficient and intuitive that it almost disappears from the experience. Imagine shelters that automatically adapt their ventilation, clothing systems that regulate temperature more effectively, or modular equipment that can be transformed into different tools depending on what an adventure requires. The future could also focus more heavily on sustainability. Outdoor enthusiasts depend on healthy natural environments, so camping equipment that lasts longer, uses fewer resources, and creates less waste could become increasingly important. Repairable designs, recyclable materials, reusable systems, and energy-efficient technology could help reduce the environmental impact of outdoor recreation. But no matter how advanced camping technology becomes, there is one thing that will never change: the reason people go outside. Gadgets can make cooking easier, sleeping more comfortable, navigation more convenient, and communication more reliable, but they cannot replace the feeling of standing on a mountain ridge at sunrise, hearing waves crash against a remote shoreline. They remind us that innovation doesn't have to take us away from nature. When designed thoughtfully, it can help us explore nature more responsibly, comfortably, and confidently. And as technology continues to advance, the next generation of camping inventions could be even more remarkable. The wilderness will always be waiting. The only question is what incredible gear we'll bring with us when we go. And there you have it, the most brilliant camping inventions of the modern era. From revolutionary shelters and ultra-comfortable sleeping systems to smart cooking gear, portable power stations, advanced lighting, water filtration, and multifunctional outdoor gadgets, it's incredible to see how technology is transforming the way we experience the wilderness.